This is your sacrifice for the laser diode machine. This is the handle holder. These 3 pieces water filters. This is protective glasses. This is a goggle for plants. This is a short pipe to solve your future I01. This is power supply cord. This is the case for the machine. This is fuse, spare fuse. Rubber ring, screws, longer screws to fix the handle holder on the machine. Okay, and also this is the water funnel to fill water into the machine. That's all the spare parts you will get when you receive the machine. The first step is to put the handle holder on the machine. And then put the handle, connect the handle with the machine. Okay, you can hear a click. Then the handle, that means the handle is connected to the wire of the machine. Now you need to put 2 screws on top and then in the bottom to fix the machine, firmly on the machine. The second step is to put water into the machine. First, open the vents and walk in light. Then connect water funnel with the water inlet. Okay, filling water into the machine. The machine will need about 5 or 6 liters water. Keep filling water until there are water coming from the vents. That means the water tank is full.